Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today guys, welcome to my rooftop garden. Today guys, I will be preparing the soil for planting. I just use the soil on the pots guys, like here. Then I put it here and added some chicken manure. You have to use this old manures guys so that it won't damage our plants because fresh manures are acidic. You have to wait for a few weeks or months before using them in order to be safe to our plants. Guys, we will just recycle the soil from pots and add some fertilizer like chicken manures. Then we'll put them back. We will put them back into the containers, and let's be sure there are drainage holes, guys. We can enlarge these holes. Like then we can plant again here. You can save those kitchen scraps, guys, and make into compost for our vegetables. Yes, we have to put a little allowance here so that when you water, it will not overflow at once. Here, guys, I'm preparing them for planting. And I'll wait for these seedlings to grow, guys, so that we will transplant to those containers. Hey, guys, I'm looking for some fertilizer to make it grow fast. I will update you guys as soon as the seedlings are ready for transplanting. And you can have new sets of vegetables here as the taro. And have chili peppers, guys. The alobati. And we have some onions here. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll continue with the soil preparation. For more videos and updates, guys, subscribe to my channel for videos beneficial to us. Thank you for watching. Bye. Taran tan 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 tara ta 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 tara ra 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 ha ha La 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 la. La 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 la. Ah, ah. It's starting to barefoot, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. La 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 la. Ha ha.